welcome to this section. And in this session, I'm going to be talking to you about why young leaders are not getting Chevening Scholarship. Why Chevening Scholarship should not be your goal. This session is not about what Chevening Scholarship is. Do you know why? Because really, if you want to know what Chevening Scholarship is, all you just have to do is what? All you just have to do is go on Google and pop it. First of all, in a layman's language, what is Chevening Scholarship? Chevening Scholarship is a full scholarship that is given to majorly young leaders. But as I said, this is a layman's description of what it is. Now, why are we talking about Chevening Scholarship today? Chevening Scholarship is very popular. It's a very popular scholarship. If you're just hearing it for the first time, maybe you've not started searching for scholarship. The moment you start searching for scholarship, you're going to be hearing about Chevening. But Chevening should not be your goal, right? If it happens, well, but it shouldn't be your goal, and this is why. Number one, Chevening Scholarship is very popular. It is popular. Everybody is going to be applying for it. You will say, what's wrong with it when everybody is applying? This is what is wrong with it. If we are taking, say, one person and 10,000 people apply, your chance of getting it is 1 out of 10,000 people. If it's 100 out of 10,000 people, this is a very small, tiny percentage. And therefore, 95% of people who apply for Chevening Scholarship do not get it. A Chevening Scholarship, don't worry, Dr. Linda, I'm not going to apply for Chevening Scholarship. I'm going to apply for Erasmus Scholarship. My dear, the story is the same thing. Popular scholarships should not be your goal. Another person is going to say, you know what, since you say Chevening should not be my goal, I'm going to leave Chevening, I'm going to leave Erasmus, I'm going to go for Commonwealth Scholarship. My dear, the same thing. You know, I'm going to go for Obama Foundation Scholarship. The same thing. Almost everybody, I just want to use Africa for example. Almost every young leader in Africa is applying for Obama Scholarship. He's applying for, Nelson Mandela Scholarship. He's applying for Chevening. He's applying for Erasmus. He's applying for Commonwealth. What should be my goal instead? Ta-da! This is where I introduce to you what we call hidden scholarships. Okay, hidden scholarships are scholarships offered by specific schools. Now, if I talk about hidden scholarship, the question is, what scholarship comes to your mind? None. And this is what makes hidden scholarships very attractive. This is what makes a hidden scholarship your real chance at getting a scholarship. Do you get my point? Like, this is what makes them so unique. So let me ask you, if I say hidden scholarship, what scholarship comes to your mind? Write it down. Comment whether you are listening to me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Comment. What scholarship comes to your mind? You will see that no scholarship comes to your mind, but there are several, and the hidden scholarships are way more in number compared to the popular scholarships. So what is going to happen is that if you don't know the hidden scholarships, where to find them, when you find them, what to do to get them, what schools are offering them, you are not going to be able to apply for them. So the good thing about hidden scholarships is that they are offered by specific schools for the students applying. And the good thing and the extra advantage of hidden scholarship is that people don't know about them. So when you discover the one for your program, you are probably going to be like, so you see a situation where there are 50 scholarships, 20 people applied. There are 50 scholarships, 50 people applied. That means almost everybody is going to get it. There are 50 scholarships, 100 people applied. That means you have 1 in 2 chances of getting it. This is definitely very far from 1 in 10,000 chances that you have when it comes to the popular scholarships. Somebody is wondering, how am I going to find them? One sure way to find hidden scholarships is what? To get trained on how to find those type of scholarships. You may think that you are wasting time by going for training, say 30 days training. My dear, after that 30 days training, you will train your eyes. You are going to practice, you're going to find those scholarships while you are taking those training, and your eyes will be opened. You will begin to see scholarships that people don't see for you. So what does this mean? You become immune to the things that happen to people going for popular scholarship. I challenge you today, attend our free and detailed info section. So if you want to go, you can just go to www.vantagemigration.ca. You're going to understand what people do in order to get hidden scholarships. I'm going to also add the link to the description of this video. Till I see you again. Bye.